day 129. Ooh. Got rained on last night, but the storm mostly skirted around me. 63 miles to go. 3 more sleeps, and I should be on top of Katahdin. Getting to food drops soon. And then I'd like to do high 20s today. This looks like the part of the 100-mile wilderness where it's flat. So should be able to do that and then get to A-Ball Bridge tomorrow night. See how we can stage and then climb that sucker in a few days and be done. It's finally raining again. I had to put you guys in the bag. That's what it is. The rain stopped. Got a resupply. Now I'm just like slogging it out until camp. So it'll be 25 miles for the day. I don't know, I'm feeling pretty lethargic again. Not a lot of oomph. Almost done for the day. 3 miles to go. I think tomorrow I'm just gonna do to the last shelter before A-Ball Bridge. TBD. That's gonna be the end for today. This is crazy.